Guys, we are making a homemade margarita mix. So you can make this before your bake party in a nice large batch and store it somewhere. So we get our lemon juice, okay? Right now we're using 150 milliliters, but that's just an arbitrary number. Don't worry about that. And then we get 150 of lime juice. Basically equal amounts of lime juice, equal amounts of lemon juice. Now we're gonna need some simple syrup as well. So we get water and sugar, equal parts is simple syrup. Okay? Stir, 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 heat it up, we got our simple syrup. Now here's how you wanna do this. You want a quarter of the way lime juice, a quarter of the way lemon juice, and then half of it to be simple syrup. You see, quarter, quarter, half, all right? You shake that up a little bit, put your little homemade label on that bad boy, you put that in the fridge, and that's what you mix with your tequila, and you're good to go. Stay tipsy, brothers, stay tipsy.